Hello everyone, I'm with Top Tier Reviews, and today I am reviewing my single serve coffee maker by Vimukun. I like this because it's very easy to use, very easy to clean. It's perfect for small apartments, dorm rooms, offices. It takes the K-cup pods. It takes those, and what's really cool is you can either use a reusable one or the ones that come in packs with these. It doesn't take long for the coffee to brew up, and you can actually use your own cup or mug or whatever you want to drink coffee out of. You just put that inside this area right here, and you can have an amazing cup of coffee in very little time. I highly recommend this to anyone that's looking for an amazing coffee maker.